Hi, I'm Dr. Peter McAllister, and I'm a migraine master. My background was in neuromuscular disease and movement disorders, but around the year 2000, I began to see more migraine sufferers, and I realized that this is a group of extremely disabled people in the prime of their child-rearing and working years. And so treating these patients became a top priority for me. Over the years of treating migraine patients, I discovered that a multidisciplinary approach to treatment, including lifestyle changes on top of acute and preventive medications, worked for many of my patients. As a clinical researcher, I became involved with the development of Aimovig early on, and remember there was a lot of demand for Aimovig at launch. As the first and only therapy of its kind, Aimovig was specifically designed to prevent migraine by targeting and blocking the calcitonin gene-related peptide, or CGRP, receptor. For a disease that carries such stigma, migraine sufferers could now feel very hopeful at this new class of drug that legitimizes the disease with a known cause and a receptor that we could now block. One of my patients, a 32-year-old lawyer and new mother, had tried other preventive medications and none worked. Her migraines were so overwhelming, she became disabled from work. During our first visit, she presented me with paperwork for disability. At first, she was skeptical to try Aimovig. And while not everyone responds early, her headaches were dramatically better within a few weeks. And within 4 months, she was back to work. Aimovig has a breadth of data, more than any other migraine preventives, with multiple studies demonstrated sustained efficacy, tolerable side effects, and consistent data across the migraine spectrum. While the efficacy and safety profile of Aimovig were the reasons I chose to prescribe it to my patients, I was also very drawn to the dosing and ease of administration. The SureClick auto-injector is a sleek delivery method for Aimovig that does not require refrigeration for up to 14 days. Simply press the auto-injector onto the thigh, stomach, or upper arm, and press the button at the top of the device. It's a single injection into the skin. My patients find it very intuitive. Aimovig is also easy for my patients to inject, and in fact 100% of patients in a clinical trial sub-study were able to successfully self-inject Aimovig using the SureClick auto-injector. There was a very low rate of injection site reactions in the clinical trials, at less than 6%, and this is similar to what I see in my practice. When a product is able to provide such dramatic improvements that I see in my practice, coupled with a well-tolerated safety profile that has little or no side effects, patients are more likely to stay on it. I feel confident that my patients can stay on Aimovig for an extended period of time if needed as a treatment for migraine.